to promote your own barangay, what adjectives will you use to attract tourists to come to your place?
Good evening to every one of you, and thank you for that wonderful question. Of course, if I were to choose adjectives to describe my barangay, I would choose all the adjectives that are pleasant. But I would simply say to service that my barangay is simple, but so awesome. That's all. Thank you.
Simple but so awesome.
Awesome.
Ang Old Moriones Ocampo.
Awesome.
Alright.
No.
That's candidate number 13.
Thank you so much, candidate number
Gwendolyn M. Paga.
Ano ba, meron ng bagong tawag sa Old Moriones. Old sa Moriones.
Ah, di ba?
Wrong na, di ba? Yun ang Old Moriones.